Good evening, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me? Okay. Thank you, Ubaid. Dear Mr. David, can you hear my voice, dear? Okay. So, Mr. Ubaid, for you right now, it's working fine? Okay. Yeah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So we are going to start the training, inshallah. If everyone is hearing my voice loud and clear, I think it's our glad to welcome you in this new training of Dahwa. So we will start, inshallah, by discussing about So we will start today to discuss about the new analog system, okay? Sorry, this analog system we have it before, but we have included some new things inside the box, and you're gonna have fun with it because earlier the older version we released, it did not have the adapter, okay? So right now we included some new things inside the box, and today training will be focused technically about the intercom. So as you can see here, we have here the illustration. Yes, as you can see, this is the whiteboard. We will explain on it how the system gonna be running. And also we're gonna doing the unboxing. We are going to do the unboxing for the analog kit. Okay, we will see what's inside it. Okay. First of all, let's start just only to take a look on the data sheet of the analog kit. Okay. Okay. So as we can see here, we have this is the analog kit. Okay. It comes with the monitor and one unit for the outdoor station. Sorry, just a second. Okay. Okay, as we can see, the monitor is 7 inches, the diameter of it. It has the mechanical buttons here, and as we can see, there is a button for opening for the video. You can open the video without anybody calling you. You can open and check the video. Here you can answer the incoming from the video intercom. You can have control on voice for volume up, volume down. Here are the specification. I will not take so much time here in the specification, just because there is a lot to show you on the screen on the whiteboard. Okay, as we can see, here is the specifications. And here we have this beautiful diagram showing that this intercom can be connected to a camera, okay, beside the voice intercom. You can check here with this camera like a second view. For example, somebody is not really clear on the voice intercom, okay, when he pushed the button, or he's not showing in the camera of the voice intercom. You can install a camera on like on the wall alongside with the voice intercom, and you can see him clearly with this camera. Okay, here are some dimensions, and this is it. Okay, we will take a look also on the quick start guide. So here is some it's just only I don't want to get to inside this manual. I just want to show it to you, and we're gonna see some diagrams. Here are here you can see some drawings for the intercom. Here is the explanation on each button, what it can do. I already explained it to you. Okay, so okay, I don't want to, as I told you, I will show you everything in your eyes in the same real kit. Once we open it, I will explain everything. Here we can see that the specification to running the cord, okay, or to running the cable. So I've tested also. We have included inside the kit around 6 meters for cabling from the monitor or from the indoor station to the outdoor station. You can use it, but also if you want to extend more than that, you have to be sure to use these cords, this one, for transferring around from 10 equal to 10 meters, okay, below 10 meters. You can use the 4 wires, 0.2 millimeter, okay. It's you can say it's around the Cat 6, but actually I've tested the Cat 6 with more than around 20 meters, and it was working fine. So I think it's okay to use it also, the Cat 6. Here from 10 meters to 30 meters you can use the 0.5. From 30 meters to 50 meters you can use the 0.75. And here, if you are going to use more than that, okay, you want to use it up than 50 meters, you can use the coaxial cable. Okay, here some cautions: don't pull the cables violently. Okay, So here is also a diagram. Just take a look at it. Okay, we are going to explain to you this diagram, this one, with one voice intercom. Okay, as you can see, 3 monitors, 3 cameras, 1 strike lock. This is okay. This here is the fantastic thing. Here where the fun comes from. Okay, as you can see, this typology or this drawing. Let me show you here. Yes, these drawings. Just a second. Yes. So these drawings are exactly identical with this whiteboard, as you can see here behind me. So this whiteboard, if you don't take a look for these locks here, okay, it's exactly identical. I'm just only here putting some locks. We will talk about them after when we start explaining on the whiteboard, but it's identical to this one. So I think we will be enough from showing this data sheet and everything, and start with some interesting. Just let me fix my camera. So we are going to open the kit. Just a minute, just bear with me. I need to fix the camera, and then we are going to start with the unpacking the Dahua new kit. Okay, can you see the picture of the analog kit? Hello dear. Everyone can see the kit? I need you to confirm. As we can see, here is the fancy white box that's gonna work extremely fun with your customer. You can install it with very easy and can support a lot of features better than any competitors that have these analog kits. Okay, you can see this kit, it's designed for villas. You can use it especially for villas. Okay, we will open it right now. This is the video station, and this is the voice station. Okay, here is the bracket. You have the bracket for the monitor, as I told you, this new kit comes with the wiring. So as you can see, here is the wiring from the outdoor station to the indoor station, or we can call it the monitor and the video intercom, fixing screws, everything you need inside, everything you need inside for fixing. Just only take it and fix it to your client. Here also the manual, you can see the manual here. There is the manual. We have the wiring to wire. This wiring, you need it for fixing, I will explain just in a minute. Okay. So take it one by one. This is the monitor. As you can see, here is the monitor. This is the back of the monitor or the indoor station. Here is diagram also, so you can know how to wiring. Okay. See this fancy outdoor station or the voice intercom. This is metal, waterproof, elegant design. As you can see it here, there is one button. You push it to have the calling with the monitor or the inside. Here also there is a open hole to push your wires from it and fix it. Here is a hanger. If you can see, this is the hanger here. It can help you with the fixing the unit. As you can see, just only you push it to up and you push it down and then lock it down. And here you can see the hook, it's fixed right here. See, without any screwing also, but you need to fix it with this one, with the screw. You have the fixing screw to make it lock. And this small screw, as you can see here, you fix it. Also, you don't have to worry about anything. By the way, this screw, it's called the tamper proof. See, here we provide you also with the screwdriver for the unit, so you don't have to be worried about anything, and you can use it in your other projects. See, this is the hex. This is the star. This is tamper proof screw. Okay, and this is the Phillips screw. I hope it's clear to you. Anyway, so this is tamper proof. Once you put it, and you can fix it. See, very tight and very elegant. Even here you can see there is some shading for the sunlight. It can have protection for the length, same as the outdoor CCTV. Okay. Also, we have here the template or the drawing to show you each color by order from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wires. Okay, from up to down. Each wire you can know what is it. Like this one, the red is the power. The video is the black. The video is the black, and the blue one is the audio. White is the ground. Okay, I know it's it should be like in different color, but you have to just only, it's a little bit different in wiring, in color coding, but actually it's pretty easy to see it. Once you read here the diagrams and you read the explanation for the coding here for the wiring, it's very easy. It's very easy to you to identify each wire for what. Okay, and when you are going to install it, just only fix the cables like this and take a picture. You can take a picture for it. Okay. Yes, there is some question, and my friends David and Ubaid, David from Saudi Arabia here in Jeddah, and Ubaid from Pakistan, they are here with me to support me to answer your questions. Thank you, dear. Okay, so as you can see here, you can take a picture for the color coding, and it's really easy. Okay, so after we said the white one is for the ground or the minus. Okay, we have the green for the push button, we have the brown for the door normally open, and we have the yellow for the COM. It's common, this one common between the normally open and normally close. Okay, to some technicians who doesn't know about the normally open and normally close, or there is some confusion for you. Okay, just let me have some switch and I'll come back. Just a second. Okay, this is the switch. Okay, what is the normally open and normally close? Let's assume this one, it's work like this. The normally open, the circuit, it will be open, so it means the light is off. Okay, the light will be off if the circuit is open. Okay, and normally close, it means the circuit is closed, and it means that the light, if we are connecting lights to this switches, okay, this switch, the light will be off. Okay, because it's open, and this one is closed. Okay, this is the most simplest thing I can explain it to you, so you can know exactly what you are dealing with once you are going to install these intercoms. Okay, with a different type of locks. So in each locks there is some different relay you will use for normally open or normally closed. Okay, so as I told you, this one is open. Once you push it, it will be closed, and this one, once you push it, it will be open. Okay, like on, off, on, off. Right now this one is on, I will make it off. This one is off, I will make it on. Okay, so in the relay, the relay control this automatically. Okay, by just only pushing one button. Okay, just only when you push one button, it will control this. When you push one button in the here, the station, you push open. Okay, once you push the open button here, what's happening in these two? Okay, they make like this. Okay, for around 5 seconds, and then it will comes back to normal state. Okay, this one will be normally open, this one will be normally closed. You push the button here again to open the door. Okay, it comes like this, normally open, normally close. Okay, so this one will be open, this one be closed. This is the idea of about normally open and normally close. You have to know it exactly, because our analog kit or any intercom kit or access point, access control devices from Dahua are supporting this relay type. Okay, and there is one good news also for you, that here in Saudi Arabia they use the Shiza locks. Shiza locks is using the AC adapter. Okay, it cannot work on DC sometimes, or many times it did not support it. As I tested before, it did not support the DC opening. Okay, DC adapters, it did not open. So you have to give the lock or the strike lock of Shiza an AC adapter. From it will the adapter will change from 220 to 12 volt AC. Okay, not DC. So our kit, it supported. Okay, our intercom. As you can see here, let me show you here also. Okay, let's talk about the wiring from here. Okay, from the kit, from the indoor station, sorry, from the indoor station to the outdoor station. Okay. So we have 4 wires exactly identical. I need you to focus on exactly identical. These 4 are identical. They are the same. Why we are going to use it? This we're gonna use it we are going to use it for here, as we can see here, and we can see here. Okay, 1 2 3 4. This for connecting the door video, the voice intercom. Okay, you can connect the voice intercom to this unit from this side and this unit from this side. Okay, and the rest two, you can connect them with the another monitor like this. This for the first monitor. Okay, you will take 2 wires from here to up to the second monitor. The second monitor, you will connect it from the first monitor with these 2. It will be like, you can say it's like a loop. Okay, dear, you can see it. You can say about it, it's like a loop. See here, the last video intercom, or the last monitor will connect only on these 2. Okay, as you can see here, these last 2, it will be connected to it. Okay, dear. So right now, after let me connect it to you and explain it in more detail. As you can see, it also connect the same, and I need you to remember one thing. From up, okay, we have A, then we have B, then we have C, then we have D. A, B, C, D. Okay, just remember it as A, B, C, D. Here also we have connected to B, and here we are going to connect to D, or you can say about it 1 2 3 4. Here is something important I need you to know about. Okay, when you want to connect another monitor, this is the first monitor, for example. Right now we connected these 2 wires to the outdoor station or to the voice intercom. Once we connect it, we connect one here, and one here. Okay, after we connected these two, we are going to focus on the up one. 1 and 3, or A and B, you need to connect A with the second monitor. Okay, let's assume right now we have another monitor. I will bring the another monitor. Okay, we connected with this one, with C. A will be connected with the C, and B will be connected with the D. On the same line. You can imagine it on the same line. It will be on the same line. Okay, this is the second monitor. The third monitor, it will be like this. This is the third monitor. It will be connected to the second monitor. Okay, like this. This one C, and this one is D. C will be connected to A, and D will be connected to B. Okay, on the same line. It's very easy. Very, very, very easy. Here also there is the diagram. I don't know if it's in focus, but it shows you that this one is 1, here is the 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once we connect all the monitors, it will be ready to receive the same signal from this one on this channel. Okay, and we have a let me make it easier for you also. Imagine that this one, this side, the left side. Okay, this is the left side for me, and this is the right side. So the left side right now is one channel, and this one, the right side, is the second channel. Okay, so we connect everything from the first channel on the same first channel until we reach to the intercom. Okay, it will be like one connection directly with the loops. The loop will happen here in each monitor. I need you also to focus on this color code for the wiring for the intercom monitors and the video intercom. I don't know if it's not clear to you. Let me open this one. Okay, this one is just only white, This white, it's the positive, the power one. Okay, it's positive. Next to it, directly, with a long stripe of red. Okay, it's pink actually, but let's say about red or pink, with a long pink line, and there is small white gap between each line of the pink. Okay, this is the video. So one is the power, the second one is the video, the third one will be the voice. The voice, it has a smaller pink line with a small dot, a small pink dot. Okay, this will be the audio. The last one will be the negative or the ground, with just only, you can say about it's a minus sign, minus, pink minus. Okay, So this one, the color code will be, the color, the coding for this one from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. One will be the power, second will be the video, the third one will be the audio, the last one is the ground. Okay? In all the type or all the channel will be connected on the same. Like here, see? Always say about it 1, 2, 3. So this is the red, is the power. Okay, I will connect it with the power of the monitor. You connect it, okay? Then you will connect the video. The video is always next to the power, positive, and to the audio. Okay, the audio is the sorry, just a second. Red. Okay, red is the positive, black is the video, and then we have the blue is the audio. The audio, as we said, it's this pink line with the dot, with the pink dot, then the white. It's really easy. This is it. Only 4 wires. I don't think it will be too much headache to you, just only to remember these 4 colors. It's pretty easy. And also you can make it through this one, okay? With this cable, it will make it easier for you. This one have only one cable, okay? One cable. This cable will be connected to the monitor. As I told you about before, this is around 6 meters or 7 meters long. You can connect it also to the monitor, and if it's near to the voice station or the outdoor station, just only connect it to the same color code. Okay, it's the same color code here in this long wire. Or also you can use this color code to have like reminders for you. You can connect this one for remembering with these colors cable. Just only have small piece of this cable and connect it here, okay? And you can deploy the Cat 6, or if there is a existence of already cabling, if there is already cabling in the most of the villas you will go, okay, most of your client who's going to fix it, you will face this old Farfisa or some old analog system. So there will be almost like six pairs inside each unit if it's a villa, okay? So you can use and these cables have the same color of the Cat 6, okay? Bare orange, the blue, also the green and the brown, and there is also the gray, sometimes comes with the gray. So it's around 5 to 6 pairs. You can use them to connect the kit to it, okay? Just only remember the color coding, it's very easy. Okay, dear. So here is the fun part, also about connecting the camera. the camera only have this wire, two wires, okay? The white only will be the positive, okay? And the long stripes will be the negative. You can connect it through video balloon on BNC type video balloon, yeah, through the Cat6. I've tested and I've installed it in this whiteboard, okay, through BNC, through the video balloon, and it's working fine. Also, there is some connector without video balloon. You can use it also, no worries, it can work also. Or if you like, you can use the coaxial cable, okay? Take the core from the inside. Just a second, let me show you. Sorry, I don't have the piece of the coaxial cable right now. Okay, so we can connect, it's just only two wires for the camera, and the camera, it supports only the CVBS, okay? CVBS coding, the format CVBS. Through our cameras, any type of camera you can put it, just only change the format to CVBS, okay dear? And here is the power. Okay, there is one thing, because I made the unboxing before, I did not show it to you. Okay, here should be the adapter. I forget because I made the unboxing before. Right now and replace it, I forget to put the adapter. So here is the, also we provide the adapter with the new, with this new system, okay? It's very easy adapter. You can just put it like this and it will work to you. Also, if you are you want to save some space, you can connect them directly here, but you need to be careful and insulate it. I do not prefer that way, but here is the adapter, okay? The adapter comes in this way. We can connect it directly with this one. Just let me show you. Here we provide you also with some locking caps. As you can see, these beautiful and easy for install cap. Just only put it like this. The positive will be with the positive here, okay? The positive is the solid black, okay? In the adapter. In this adapter, the positive will be the solid black. Just only a hint for you. You just only put it like this and rotate it. Here we're done with the first one, and we're gonna do the second one. If somebody have a stop watching, let us see. I will connect it right now in front of you. We will see how much time it will take. See? Right now I will connect the negative to the negative with this awesome. Next, I will connect it here. Okay. I think it will take less than 1 minute to connect it. Okay, here is the let me connect it right now for you. Okay, in front of you. Please remember, from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, always mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 will be the power. I will connect it with the power here. The power we have here is the red on the analog kit. Okay, dear, this is the voice intercom or the outdoor unit. Let's agree on this is the outdoor unit and this is the indoor unit. Okay, outdoor indoor unit. Because in the diagrams it's saying this is the voice intercom and this is the video intercom. Let's just agree on it. This is the outdoor station and this is the indoor station. So from the indoor station to the outdoor station, you can use any type of cabling. I just want you to remember the color code for these. Okay, right now from left we have the power. I will connect it right now. See, right now we will go to the second one, the video. The video is the black in the outdoor station and number 2 in the from the left, number 2 from the left in the indoor station. Okay, make it like this. Make it like this. Just okay, we're done with this one. Let's take the third from the indoor station to the blue or the audio from the outdoor station. Okay. Okay, I lost one. Okay. The last but not least is the white or the negative from the outdoor station, from the negative, okay, to the 4 cable from the left in the indoor station. Okay, let this loosey. Let me test it for you right now. Can you see? Can you see me? See? It did it take 5 minutes? Did it take 5 minutes? Did it take 5 minutes? I think less than 5 minutes if we did not consider the cab that went away. Right? It's very easy to install. And always make sure that Dahua always here to support you. See, once I push the button here, the video button, it shows me the outdoor station. You can push it second time, it will show you the second outdoor station. You push it again and it will shows you the camera. And I will show you on the whiteboard everything, okay? Here, if you want to answer and talk, you can press this one here, the third button. Sorry, it's okay because it's near, so I need to volume down. Okay. Here, as you can see, this is, I mute the voice. This is very helpful if you want just only to hear who is out, okay? And he cannot hear from your side. Let me just close it. Okay, I will push the button. As you can see here, this lamp is off. This means no one can hear me, but I can hear what's happening outside. Okay, I will answer. Hello. You want to open the door, you can press here. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's it. Enough. Sorry for the echo or this sound, because the mics are near and the speakers are near. So sorry. Okay. I think this is the general idea about the intercom. Okay, so let's see our intercom in a scenario that we have installed all the monitors and all the outdoor stations, all the camera, and what we can see and what type of locks it can support. Okay, just have a look at the diagram for a bit and I'll come back to you once I fix the camera. Have a look at the diagram. Okay, this is the same diagram you will see but with more locks. Sorry, just give me 1 more minute and I will be here with you. Okay. Here is the whiteboard, as we can see. Okay, I will power it up. Okay, so here we have the 3 monitors connected as we explained before. Just a second. So this monitor here, as I told you before, it's connected with all the 4 connections, from this monitor. It will be like from this one, okay, from this is 1, 2, 3, 4, or A, B, C, D. So from C and from D. C here, D here, okay? C to here, D to here, C, okay, to this one, D to this one, okay? This is the first monitor. From it also we connect A and B. A and B the 4 pairs are going here to the second level or to the second monitor. Okay, you can deploy them in one first floor for one villa, or you can deploy it in 3 floors villa. Okay, from this monitor to this monitor, from the first level monitor or from the first monitor, you connect A to the second monitor on C. Okay, from here to here, from A, this one going up. Okay, the other monitor will be the receiver. It will take it from down. Okay, the second one will be like this, from up to down. Up, it's going like this, A to B, A to C, from A to C, A to C, and from D to B, B to D, from B to D. The connection is like this. Please make sure, do not connect. For example, A cannot be connected on B or D. A cannot be connected on B or D. Also, C cannot be connected on B or D. The reverse is true also. You cannot connect B to A and C and D to A and C. Please remember this, okay? This is the right side, this is the left side to me, okay? And this is the right side. This is always alone, separate. So this, you can imagine, is separate, okay? And these are separate on different channel, okay? Remember this, please. Okay? And it's loop. It's very easy. Very, very, very easy. Once you connect your first level and first monitor, it will be easy to connect all the monitors. And I will show you also from the back how did I make the connection if we have at some time. Okay. So just a review on fast. From the first monitor, we connect the 2 outdoor stations. Okay, from here, from this outdoor station to C, and from this outdoor station to D. And here, from A to C, from B to D. Okay, here, from A to C, from B to D. It's the same here. A, C, A, C. Okay? B, D, B, D. It's very simple. Very, very, very simple. Okay, and here is the plug for the camera. From here I connected to this camera. Okay. Also this one to this one, this one to this one. Normally the connection for the locks, right now I've connected too many locks, but normally you will connect one lock only. Okay, but here just only to illustrate to you and to show you that we can support the normal the magnetic lock, the normal magnetic lock, and this is the bullet type that you can screw it on the glass doors. Okay, you can screw this one. We have also the Shiza that supports AC. This is AC adapter. And we have the normal strike lock that support DC. Okay, if you have a new, for example, some client, you went to them and they have the DC strike lock, it supports it also. Okay, and here we have the wood lock. This is the wood lock. Okay, we will test them all. The connection on just only these 3 colors. Okay, the yellow is the COM, and the brown is the normally open, The purple is the normally close. So these locks, as you can see, these are normally closed. This one and this one are normally closed. This type of locks. Okay? So it supports them. These need normally open. This one normally open and this one normally open. You can also this one make it normally closed if you want. This is the fail safe. That it have the fail safe and the secure safe, secure fail. It has two features. But this one right now I'm using it as a normally open. It will not open until the order from here comes and give electricity to open it. Okay. And this one for the push button. Push button you will connect the green and the white. The white is the ground, as we know. So we need to connect two wires from the push button to the green and to the white. And it will work. See, I will push it right now. It's open. This one, and this is the bullet type. Let me see if I can make the camera closer. See? Yes. Is it clear for you? Okay. Let me see. See? This is this one, it's closed. And this one is locked. So the idea about it here, how to connect these locks, how we can connect these locks. Normally these locks have the negative and positive. What we do normally, as we said before, this one, these two works as a switch. So we are going to use this magnetic lock for to explain the idea also. See, these two wires, if they are connected, okay, if they are connected, the electricity flow from here to here. This one normally closed. It means that always the electricity is flowing. Once there is no electricity, the door will be open, because this type of locks, it's always running, okay, always generating, giving power to the magnetic, so it always sticks, okay. So this one, it's always closed. As the same for this bullet type, for the secret door classes, okay. This one and this one always normally closed. So right now our client, he have this, he wants you to install for him magnetic lock or a bullet lock. So what we will use the relay on normally close. We will take the purple cable and the COM cable. What we will do, we will run the negative wire from this lock. Let me show, yes. What we will do, this is the positive and this is the negative. We will connect it here, okay, with the lock on the positive and the negative. once we connected, just a second, let me show you. The cable is messy a little bit. I need to make it straight. Okay. So, right now, we can use two ways. You can have two ways to do the wiring for this one. For the close, for the normally close or the normally open. If it uses DC, you have two options, okay? Either you can use a separate adapter for the lock, okay? You can use a separate adapter for the lock. A separate adapter for the lock. What will happen is the scenario will be like this if you use a separate adapter. You will connect the positive directly to the lock, okay? What you will do, you will connect the positive directly to the lock from the adapter, okay? You got the idea? After we connect the positive from the lock, we have the ground or the minus. What we shall do with this ground? Okay. Here I will show you what we will do with the ground. This one will be the ground. This cable, we will think about it as it will be the ground. Okay. We will connect this cable directly from the negative of the lock, as you can see, from the negative of the lock. The positive of the lock, as we said, it's already connected to the adapter. So what we have free is the negative. So all of our work on the negative. Right now, we will take the negative of the lock and connect it to the normally close of the outdoor station. Okay? From the lock, from the negative of the lock, to the normally close of the outdoor station. Then we will take the COM. The COM is the common, and we will connect it directly to the negative of the power of the adapter. So what happened here? What is really happening is that we have connected the negative and make it as a switch, okay, to the lock, to the magnetic lock. The magnetic lock is always on. So we connected on the normally close. The circuit is closed, okay? So we do it like this. It's here like a switch. This switch is always running the electricity, always closing the circuit, okay? So right now, the electricity, the negative is flowing from here, okay, from the COM it's flowing from the COM going to the normally closed to the magnetic lock. So this is right now the circuit is closed and it's working by this way. And here is the switch. Who's controlling the lock is this unit. Once you push the button here to open the lock, what happened here is the normally closed, it becomes normally open, and it opens the circuit, and this magnetic lock start to open. See, for example, right now I'll show you. Somebody come here. See, I've connected. I answered here right now by pushing this one. I will open the door. See, once I press this one, it gives the order to the normally closed to be normally open, as we explained in the switches. See, it's back. Let me open it again. See, they are open right now. This one gives the order to this by normally closed to make it normally open, as we explain it. See? So, here we've done from this part, okay? There is another way also to connect these locks, the DC locks, okay? Make sure always keep in your mind this, when we are going to use these types of lock, the DC locks, there is an alternative way, okay? You don't need to use the adapter, a separate adapter. You can use the same adapter to make the connection. What we will do, as we explained, okay, we have the power. We will use these two as a normally closed, okay, to this cute magnetic lock, okay? So what we will do, this one already has, as we said, the positive and negative. We will do the same. We will keep the negative connected of this one to the intercom, to the COM, okay? We will connect it to the COM. You will connect it, sorry, to the, as we said before, not to the COMs, to the normally closed. You always connect the side from the lock to either normally closed or normally open. The COM always gets the electricity, always get the DC or the AC, the COM, okay? The negative, it will be negative. Okay, so what we can do here, if we are going to use, after we connected this one, the minus of the, or the ground of the magnetic lock to the normally closed, okay? We have the positive. We have the positive of the lock. The positive, we can connect it to the positive here, okay? In the same outdoor station, you can connect it to the positive of it here. So it can take an electricity from it, okay? So right now, the circuit is almost done. What we need to do with the COM is connected is very slow. Sorry. There is something wrong with the voice. Let me, I'm sorry, I was away from, I wasn't seeing your comments. Just a second. Can you hear my voice right now? Frank Deer, can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice, dear? It's okay, okay. Okay, dear. So let's get back to the training. Just to tell you, from the negative of the magnetic lock to the normally close, okay? And from the positive of the magnetic lock to the positive of the outdoor station. What is rest to complete the circuit is this one. The COM, you need to give it the minus or the ground. Once you connected, you have completed the circuit, okay? The same way goes, same way goes if you are going to use the normally open. Just only the negative, you will take it from normally close to the normally open, to the brown one, okay? You connect it and you can use the open lock type, okay? Like this one, stripe, and like this one, okay? This one, the Shiza type, or any AC lock, you have to do the with an adapter way, as I explained before this stage, before this one, okay? What so far for now I've explained two way, okay? One for the closed and open, okay, through the adapter, DC adapter, okay? You know how the way, it's very easy. I will leave also some videos in details for each lock, how to wire it. We will make it on our channel on YouTube. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if there is some mentions, also don't forget to mention it in some comments. And my friends David and Ubaid, they will help you also right now in the chat. So we will get back. As I told you before about the first one, first we will use the DC adapter. The second one is to use the same unit to power the locks, okay? The same unit, you can use it also to power the locks, but it should be the locks supporting the DC. They should support the DC, okay? I don't recommend it this way to get the power from the same unit, but it can work. It can work, okay? But much better if you are going to use this way through the DC, okay, from the same lock. For example, you are far away, or there is no power, there is no live power near to the door, okay? In this way, you don't need to run also a power line. You can use the same unit to power the lock, okay? For example, there is a door, there is no electricity, just only the intercom cables. You can use this way from the same unit, outdoor unit, to power the lock, okay? Either to open it to make it normally open like this or normally closed like this, okay, without the need of running a cable to make power for the adapter so you can power this, okay, except this cute, this Shiza, it's spreaded a lot in Saudi Arabia, but normally once you go to visit a client, okay, once you visit him, there will be like a junction box near the door from inside, and you will find like this adapter, this cute adapter also, okay. So what you will do in this case, we will do as I mentioned before. Same as the first stage we did, but here on the AC, this one can support the 12, okay, there is a 12 and 24. Shiza locks normally uses the 12 AC, okay, so you can here see in this adapter, the AC adapter, it has 0, 22, 0, 12, 24, okay. So for 0, the first 0 and 22, these for the live electrical, just only to power on this adapter, okay. The other one, the other after the 22, there is another 0 and 12 and 24. You will use the 0 as a negative and the 12 as a positive, okay, and you will continue the circuit as we talked before. Right now, for example, we will make a demonstration also. One cable from the positive, okay, from the 12, number 12 or positive of this lock, of this adapter, will goes to, let me just a second, let me adjust the view for you so you can see much clear and better. Okay, I think it's good for you. Okay, so here, this one, the first two, we give it direct electricity, and this one 0, 12, we will give from the 12, we will take directly connection to the Shiza. Shiza here normally doesn't have a specification, okay, for minus or negative. Here it doesn't matter, either you connect it, but here in the same Shiza lock, it actually doesn't mention that there is a minus or negative. So, but here, from here, you need to make sure to take the positive. You put it here. It doesn't matter in any hole you put it or any pin you put it. It doesn't really matter. But you need to make sure that you give him directly from this one to this one the positive. Then the next step, from the negative or from the 0 here, okay, from the adapter, you put it on COM, on the yellow wire, okay. Make sure to put it on the yellow one, from the 0 to the yellow one, okay, because already the 12 is went to the Shiza lock. So after you put this one, what is the normally open? Normally open, these types of locks, it's normally open. Once you give it electricity, it will open, okay? So we will use the normally open, the brown one. We take the negative to the normally we take the negative from the lock to the normally open, okay, from the negative or from the other pin to normally open to the brown, and from the lock, from the negative of the lock, from 0, you will give it to the COM. The electricity will be like this, from here going here. The other one will be from 0, will go like this, okay, from the adapter will go like this. It will enter to here to the COM, and then once you give it the order, it will let it go to the brown or to the normally open to the Shiza. So this one works as a switch, as I told you. Okay? These wires, please make sure, please keep in your mind, this one is the same wire. So if we are going to use the normally open, okay, this one, we will use these two. If we are going to use the normally closed, we will use these two. But these still are the same wire from the lock. You connect the negative from here. It will go to here from the lock, and then the negative of the adapter. Please keep in mind this idea, okay? Don't give here plus and minus, okay? It will not work. It will not work because these are like the switch. These two are like the switch. You get the idea? It's like the switch. Here inside there is a little switch doing this job. So please keep it in your mind, please. See? Like this. So don't put here positive and here negative, no. And if you have, please, keep it in your mind. If you did not get the idea, do not hesitate to call us and to contact us. Once you purchase it for the first time, you face some issues, please do not hesitate to talk with us, okay? Keep in your mind this point. We are always here to support you. Dahua always beside you. Once you take it, you can use this video. We will upload some videos. We will have a lot of, we will have another training for this one, okay? It will be more coordinated. Actually, right now, this one, we made it very fast, in hurry, just for you. There was some question from other technicians. They want to know about the solution, this solution, the Villa solution, the Villa analog solution, okay? So we made it fast. But we will make another video, okay? And we will make for each lock a separate video. We will explain in details, in much clear way. Right now this training for you, it's live. You can ask your question directly also to our colleagues, David and Ubaid. They are here to support you. We are always here to support you at any time. So once you buy it, if you face some issues, please contact us. Don't worry about that. So let's see. Right now, I will show you, just let me fix the camera. I will show you the solution, the whole solution, how it's work, how you can get benefit from it. What is the benefits that your client can get from this solution, okay? We explained a lot of technical terms, how it's connected. It's really easy, very, very, very simple. just you need to take some time to focus on the points, okay, that I gave you. Then it will be much clearer to you, okay? So, for example, right now, I will show you on this lock and this lock, because this one is a AC. We cannot connect it directly. I have in the back there is a switch to show you, but I will not turn it on until I show you the DC type. Okay. So, for example, some visitor came. He contact you. See. Once you push the button here, all the monitors will be calling. Okay? All the monitors, there will be a call in them. You get this one? Okay. Here, you push this one. All the monitor will receive a call. For example, somebody also came to the second door and push it. It will show him busy. It will show him busy. Okay, because there is a connection here. See? It will sound like this. It's busy line. This one is the pickup. You can pick up the voice. You can pick up the call. Whenever somebody calling you can pick up the call from here. Okay? The third one, or the button in the middle, you pick up from it. And you can hang out also from it. Okay? It's very easy. The second one, this is the first thing. Okay, let's see about how for example, I want to see who's out, or what's happening out. There is some noise. I want to check which of the camera or which of the outdoor can show me. Okay, so first I can push this button. It show me the first video, the first outdoor station. I push it again, it will show me the second one, the second outdoor station. Once I push it again, it will show you this cute camera. See? Let me make it closer to you. I don't know, is it clear for you guys? See? This is a camera. You can put it like this. If somebody, for example, somebody pushed the door and he went out, he do it like this. Okay? He's not clear to the front view, and he's hiding here. Okay? So you can fix like a camera in the end of the wall of the same entrance, and you can see who is it. See? You can see that the view is from here. Okay. So this is the feature here. You can also, if you want to open the door, see it, because you are on this camera, it will not open anything. But you can, for example, push this button. This is the first station. See? Once you push it, it will be opening. Okay, stuck a little bit this one. You can open this one. You can open this one. This is the wood type, the wood for locking type. Okay. See? Okay, let me close it. done with it. Okay, right now we will change to the second video intercom. This is the second voice or the outdoor station. I will open this door, for example. Okay, I will push the unlock button. It's open. Okay, you can see here, and I'm showing you a real life view. See, I cannot open it. So it's really working. But I don't suggest you to connect more than lock to the intercom, okay? Only one door. I do not suggest that unless you have some idea about it. Okay, you can connect more than lock to more than one door. You can do that, okay? But you need to be you need to have an idea about how to connect multiple things or multiple locks to this station. It's almost the basic thing. It's nothing changed actually, but you need to power them with a separate adapter. Okay, so I will show you also the Shiza. You will hear the sound of Shiza. It's known and familiar to all of you who is living in Saudi Arabia. I don't know in other countries if it's the same, but this one has a familiar sound. Okay, let me just only switch it from the back. Okay, I will show you right now. Somebody came right now. He's pushing this door. Yes, and the answering. All the monitors are. I will answer. After I answer, I can push. See? This is a live demonstration for a lot of you guys asking me about this one. Does it support the Shiza, or do I need to replace to another lock? Actually, it supports Shiza. This analog kit, it supports Shiza. It supports all the AC locks. Just only please do the same diagram or the same color coding or the same wiring that I told you about, how to wire it. Okay, exactly, do it the same. You can see this is Shiza and it's working. Okay, I already did all the illustration here on the first monitor. Let's take this monitor for example. Also, another calling income. Okay, I will answer it and I will open the door. See? It's very simple and it can be useful for you guys. So any client who asks you for an analog kit for video and 3 monitors, they have 2 doors and they need 3 monitors, okay, we can do that for them. Okay, also what's fabulous about this kit, it's cost effective. Okay, you can do a lot of profit from it. It's really nice kit. For my side, for me, if I had a villa, I will buy like this. It's pretty easy. See, you can also here say I want to change for we need to close the connection with this one, and I will see the another video. See, this is the video from this station. I will see the video from the second station. Okay, I will show you also it can open it. See, it opens. This one also you can control with all the monitors, all the locks or all the doors. The 2 doors, it can be connected from all these monitors. Okay, I will see also from the camera. You can connect a separate camera to this one. See, as you can see, we can connect also a camera for this one. Let us. You can also do something. It's called group chatting. Okay, talking from this one to this one to this one. It's yes. Sorry, just a second. It opens to this one. Let me connect it. Yes, you can open this one and see. Even if there is somebody talking here, okay, you can open it. You can take the control for the second station. Okay. Let us see. This is this lock. Okay. We move it to this one, for example. Okay. So it's very helpful and very useful. You can convert whatever you want. There is some flexibility. If somebody going from this door, he went to the second door, you can directly convert, okay? For example, you have two doors. The first door is the ground or the garden door. And then you have your villa door that gets you to the entrance. Okay, somebody come and he calls me. Once he called me, okay, I will answer him. I will tell him come. I will open the door for him. He will open, okay. Then I will change. You close here. You will open it again. You will change to the second door. Or he can also, what he can do, he can also call you on this one. But in any way, he doesn't need to call you. Just only switch to the second intercom and open for him. Okay, you got it? It's really useful solution for you guys, for your client. It's very good. Okay, I think I was unfair with the middle monitor or the middle intercom. This one I wasn't unfair with it. I need to make some testing on it also. See, you can see here. Check the next video intercom. Check. This is the camera also for it. See. Let's open all the camera. This is the camera right now. This is the camera. See. The camera. Here we have the cameras. Okay, let's open the live feed of the first intercom. You can do that also. Okay, see, you can check it. You can check it. So here is the calling from the right door. The calling from the right door. I pick it up from the second level. Okay. Let's see. We want to see also. Okay. We can check this one. We can check this one also. We will open the door. Okay. We can also change to this one. I'm doing all this testing in front of you. I want you to learn and know that this kit, it's very useful for you. Okay? Do you have some scenarios you want to test it? Tell me. Okay, Hangout. So actually, I want to make some testing again and again and again. I don't know if we have still some time. Let me check also some questions. If there is some question or anyone wants to make me try again. Do you have some questions there? Any questions? Do you want me to try another thing? So I will give you some time to think about some questions. As I told you, this is great solution for you guys and really easy to install. You can impress your clients with this feature, just only this feature, okay? Don't mention about the 2 doors and how you can control also multiple locks. You can give the idea for your client. If he have the outdoor, okay, he have already Shiza, we said we can integrate it with our analog kit, okay, you can work on it. And then he have another door inside for his villa and it's wood. You can put him this type of woods, of locks, and it will work also with our analog kit, okay. This is one scenario. The other scenario, you can use if you have a 2 doors outdoors, okay, you can use them for the indoor. For the door inside, you can use the smart locks. You know, we already talked about the smart locks. You should try the smart locks. You should try our new Dahua smart locks. It's very great and very elegant. The new locks are crazy. You should try it. So 3 monitors in each level. You can also, if you want, just only use 2 monitors, okay? You can use 2 monitors. It's really great. Also, when you use the 3, when you buy the 3 kits, you get this one spare, okay? You get it spare. You told him, hey, if there is some damage, and there will be no damage, trust me. From my side, I've installed it before. Around 2 years, yes. I installed one with the Shiza lock, 2 monitors at Villa. The other one, I've installed it with the magnetic lock. And it's working fine. It's working good, okay? It's really great. Okay, Mr. Tyoko Eric, he's talking about the cabling for the camera. Okay, let me show you. Just a second, Mr. Eric. Just a second. Okay. There is a quite mess up here. Okay, Mr. Eric. This is it. Can you see this one? You know this one, right? It's a BNC video balloon, the normal video balloon. And this is the connection. This is the indoor monitor. Okay? You connect this pin for the camera here. Okay? You connect the cable here. Just a second, let me bring Cat 6. This is the Cat 6. I will show you live how to make it. For example, you done off wiring, you already wired the camera. Okay, you pull the cable in. What you will do, just only plug the normal video balloon. It's very simple. Here I have our Dahua camera. This one this one 5 megapixel. Okay, we connect it here normally. Okay, just only don't forget to connect to DC 12 volt. I don't know if I have one here. I already, okay, I need to make, okay, it will take some time. Okay, we connect the DC, and the other side, just only please remember the wiring, the color coding. Okay, we connect on the white, orange, and the orange. Okay, so here you need to make sure we have done the positive. Okay, the positive to the BNC, it's white, orange. The positive is a white, orange. So we will connect the positive here for this kit, for this wire, it will be the solid white. Okay, we connect to it. The minus, it will be this one, the one with the stripe, the pink stripe, the pink line, with a line, pink long line. Okay, you connect to it. Simple, very simple, right? That's it. This is it. You want to see it working? Okay, let me show you. We push the button first, second, third, and it's working. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See? It's very, very, very easy. Very easy. Very easy, and you can earn a lot of money with it. You have to just only know how to sell it. Just sell it. It's also a great solution for your clients. Great solution. There is one thing I'm working on it. Okay, it will be a surprise if it works. I guarantee you 500% you will start dealing with this. Right now I guarantee you, like 250 your client will buy it. Okay, if you offer them this solution, they will buy it directly. But once also I test one thing and I will inform you about it, okay, they will buy it like 500 times. You will make the deal. Trust me, you will make the deal. Okay. So I think the camera wiring is good, right? Yes. Also, yeah, I remember about one thing regarding the camera. As I mentioned before, it supports the CVBS format. Okay, not AHD, not CVI, not DVI. It will support the CVBS. Okay, dear. For our camera, it's very simple to change it. From your XVR, you can go to the settings and change the camera from the OSD menu of any camera of these to the CVBS. Okay, so it's very easy to change it. Just only also to give you a hint, you will use the 2 mega or use 1 mega. 3, it doesn't matter. Actually, the resolution here for this monitor, it's 1 megapixel. Okay, around 1 megapixel. So if you use 1 mega is enough, 2 mega is enough. Anyway, I just want to tell you, if you did not find in the market like 2 mega, 1 mega, it's okay also. You can change the 5 megapixel. This one is a 5 megapixel and it's still working. Okay, it will work fine. Just only change it to the CVBS. Yes, it needs a separate power supply. Okay, but also, okay, you can take the, okay, what you can do actually, if you do the wiring, let me show you. If you do the wiring for the camera, you need the power. Yes. Okay. If you change the adapter to 5 amps, for example, okay, if you change it to 5 amps, and you already made the wiring for a Cat 6, for example, to here, okay, you make the wiring Cat 6 to here for the camera. You connect them, and you can take the power from here also. You can connect the power from here. You can take the power for the camera from here. But make sure you can you use the power supply 5 amps. Okay? It will work. It will still work. I've tested before on 5 amps. It's working. You take the power from here. Also, it's much better for when you are using it, for also to when you have the scenario of taking the electricity or powering the locks from the outdoor station. It's better to use the 5 amps power adapter, but still 2 amps. This power adapter we provide you inside the kit. It's 2 amps. Okay, 2 amps. But make sure and keep in mind always, who giving the electricity to the old units, it's from the monitor. Okay, the monitor is giving the electricity to the older units. This monitor, the main monitor, is giving the electricity to the outdoor VDB, and this one, the outdoor, another VDB, it's from here. Okay, just keep this in your mind. These monitors are separate power. Each monitor, you give her its own adapter. Each monitor have its own adapter. But this monitor giving the power to this one and this one. So you don't need here to put power adapter or here a power adapter. You don't need. You only use the power adapter for this type of locks, for Shiza, the AC. And if you want, you can use the power adapter for the lock, the same lock. But don't go give the same outdoor, this one, the outdoor unit, you don't give it direct power. Okay, on these two, don't give it a direct power. Some of installer, they give like direct AC also here. No, it's not okay. You need to use the power adapter. Okay. Yes, my colleague is also talking about the color codings. Okay, we will solve this issue for you. We will solve this issue for you. But also, dear, you are professionals. You don't. I don't need to worry about you for this one. Okay, you are professionals. You can just only by looking at it, you can know the difference. Okay. I know we all used to think about, okay, this is the red, this is the black, this means the minus. No, sometimes we need to take some consideration to have just for 1 minute to take a look about the diagram here, to know that this one, okay, the black is changed right now, it's not ground, the white is the ground. It's very easy. By the way, it's very easy. Just only look at it. It's mentioned here. Okay? And we will solve it for you. Don't worry about that. We will solve it for you. But also don't consider it as a big issue for you, because it's not an issue at all. It's something really, really easy. Okay? Just for around 3 minutes, focusing on it here. And you focus here also for this wiring, and you also focus for here for this wiring, and it will be easy for you, inshallah. It's very simple. Okay, you are great technicians. You don't need to worry about this little thing. Okay, and as I told you, we are working on it. We will make it for you, but don't make it a bottleneck. No, it's quite simple. Okay, any questions? Oh, okay. I read about the color. Also, because of the, not just only the angle, because of this sticker, I did not put the sticker of it, okay? And also it's, okay, let me show you from the back. Here, as Mr. David said, there is some angle, okay? So, okay, what I need to show you else? Let me bring it closer. Okay, let me try. It's still the same. See also, the view will be just a second. Let me answer it. Just because of the rotation and the reflection of the light. Okay, I have the light up here. It's doing some reflection on the same angle. It's like this one have a like it's flipped like this. Okay, so it's facing the light. That's why the color is different. Okay, here is another demonstration for the AC lock. Oh, I chose this one. My mistake, my bad. Let me change it. Okay. Answer. Save. The monitor picture is dark. It's dark right now. Let me bring it closely to you. It's still dark. Can you see me? Mr. Ashma. Can you see me right now, Mr. Ashma? Hello? Okay, let me. Okay, good. Okay. So I think it's just because if it was very far, that's why you see it dark. Okay. Let me show you the camera for Dahua camera. Okay, if you can see me, this is one, this is two, this is the Dahua camera. Okay, as you can see. See, it's a different type. How are you? It's working fine, right? Okay. Let me show you. As I told you before, see? I want to open the door without nobody's up, or somebody he's just only calling me by the mobile, okay? And we are in the middle of the night. I want to open the door for him without he needs to call me. Okay, some of the brands in the market, you cannot open the door. You cannot open the door unless he calls you. Unless he calls you, he must press the button. Make the noise for all the house, okay, inside in the middle of the night to open the door. Okay, but what if I'm in the middle of the night, my wife and my children, they are sleeping, and one of my friends, he calls me on my mobile phone and he wants to come over, so I want to open the door for him. Okay, you can open the door directly without the need. He just only when he arrives, he calls you. You tell him, he tells you, okay, I'm arrived. You just only need to open the monitor. Okay, just only open the monitor for the intercom and press on the open button. Okay, dear? It's very easy. This is one solution also you can talk about. For other brands, it's a big issue for them. For other brands, okay, they cannot do this thing. You must inform everyone that he's arrived. Okay, so this is a good feature you can also say about it. Okay, let me check. Okay, I see a lot of you are asking for our intercom, IB intercom. Okay, let me show you this one in fast, and we can take, if you want, we can take rest for Isha Bray, and we can back. Just only let me show you this one in fast. This is our video intercom products and solution. Okay, we have a lot of variety of the intercom, video intercoms, as you can see here. I will not talk about it right now, just only take a look in fast. Okay, for the IB solution, see, these are the VTH. This is outdoor unit. See, we have for multiple. This use the SIP. This is the indoor unit. See, we have a lot of accessories, switches, many kind of things for the IB. We have the mobile phone. You can use it through the mobile phone. You can configure it. Okay, this is for the IB. See, this is the emergency phone towers. You can also connect the cameras, alarm sensors, everything to this system. Okay, see, here is two buildings with a big, see the solution. You can see it here. But as I told you, this just only for IB. But today's training is more simple, and it's for something very easy and many demanding in it. Okay, these days many demanding it because of they need the video and they have an old system. Okay, so you can use it for the analog type. Any customer, he doesn't want to make new wiring or something, you can use this type for him. We have many types of the intercoms, video intercoms. We have the IB solution, we have the 2-wire solution, it's also IB, and we have this 4-wire analog solution. It's very simple, this one, and you can compete with other brands with it, and you can win. You can definitely win. I can assure you. In the price, and in the same solution, and in the quality. Okay? In the quality also. Your client will love it. If there is someone else showing another brand and you show this brand for him, you show our Dahua Intercom, you will win the bud for it. You will install it for him. Just only remember to explain every detail I told you about. Every scenario you can imagine about. For example, this simple one. Okay? We will get back after break, inshallah. Okay, we'll take a pause. I will not close the live feed. We'll stay on, but we will take a break for now. Okay? السلام عليكم. الشباب موجودين؟ Hello everyone. I think still they are still in pray. Hello dears, is still anyone up? If anyone have a question, let's see, or we are going to see you in the next training inshallah. I will wait for like 9:30. If there is no reply, I will close the chat. I will close what? I'm really not seeing anything right now. Okay, 9:30 KSA time. It will be over and out.